What is ESD in phone physical damage assessment? Imagine holding your phone and feeling a tiny shock when touching a metal object. That's electrostatic discharge happening all around us. In the world of phone repair and maintenance, this small shock can cause big problems inside your device. When technicians check a phone for physical damage, they look for signs of electrostatic discharge, or ESD. ESD is when static electricity suddenly flows from one object to another, often caused by friction or dry air. This sudden flow can damage the tiny electronic parts inside your phone, especially the semiconductor components like integrated circuits. These parts are very sensitive to high-voltage static shocks. Sometimes, the damage is immediate and obvious, like burnt or scorched spots on the circuit board. Other times, the damage is hidden, weakening the parts so they might fail later. This is called latent damage, and it can cause your phone to malfunction unexpectedly after some time. ESD can also cause soft failures, which are temporary glitches like system freezes or random resets. These issues happen because the static discharge disrupts the digital signals inside the phone but doesn't permanently harm the hardware. While rare, ESD can pose safety risks in environments with flammable materials, but in typical phone use, it mainly affects the device's internal components. During a physical damage assessment, technicians look for signs of ESD damage, such as burned components or irregular circuit behavior. They also perform tests by simulating static shocks on accessible parts of the phone, like buttons or metal edges, to see if the device is vulnerable. Manufacturers add protective features like electrostatic discharge shields and filters to reduce the risk of static damage. When repairing phones, understanding ESD is important because some issues might be caused by static discharge rather than physical impact or water damage. In summary, ESD in phone physical damage assessment means identifying damage caused by static electricity shocks that can harm or weaken the phone's electronic parts. Recognizing these issues helps technicians diagnose problems accurately and improve the durability of future devices.